Hi guys, my name is Megan Buckley, and for my challenging message was an email I wrote to my boss saying that I wanted to resign. I worked at a restaurant and it was way too stressful. I had a lot on my plate at the time and I just couldn't handle it. So I made sure to tell them that I did this for me and it wasn't because I didn't like, how they managed it or I didn't get along with the coworkers. I did. So I tried to say that it was a lot for me to handle because working at a restaurant is very stressful. So I wanted to still be on good terms with my boss even after I quit. So it was definitely a challenging email to write. The long-term goals that I had was to find a new job. I did not want to work in the service industry anymore. And the short-term goals I had was to not upset any of my coworkers and my manager. And I wanted to leave my job without any issues and even more added stress than I already had before I left. So some of the strategies that I used to write in the email was make sure to get my main point across directly in the beginning while using her friendly tone. Um, it was also kind of a personal tone as well, just because I was close with my manager and I wanted them to still like me, but also I wanted to come off as professional. I wrote concisely and efficiently. Made sure not to get off topic, it was short but precise. I made sure to maintain expressive order by maintaining my meanings and the tones that I was projecting throughout the email. I wanted to stay on topic. So, what I would do differently, I would include more long-term goals in it, maybe say, why I wanted to move, and include because it was not because of them, it was just because of me. I should have ended the email with a sincere goodbye and thank you. I did forget to say thank you, which is something that I regret. Um, and I think that after watching, the lectures and reading the readings for this module, I learned that while continuing to write in expressive order, my writing will not only sound more professional, but it will also help me to stay on topic and really engage with the person that I am writing to. I managed to still keep in touch with my boss even after that. I'm not working in the service industry anymore, but yeah, overall, the email was challenging, but it was a success.